Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious baklava cheesecake. We'll start by preparing the phyllo dough for the crust. Take each delicate sheet and brush it generously with melted butter. Then, carefully layer about 12 sheets into your 9-inch springform pan, pressing them firmly into the bottom and up the sides. This creates that signature crispy baklava base. Next, let's create the rich and creamy cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat together softened cream cheese, granulated sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract until the mixture is perfectly smooth. Then, gently mix in your eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Pour this luscious cheesecake mixture evenly over your prepared phyllo crust.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing your favorite tunes while you bake. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to bake our masterpiece. Place the cheesecake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 60 to 70 minutes, or until the center is just set. While it bakes, prepare your sweet syrup. Combine water, sugar, and a cinnamon stick in a saucepan, simmering until it slightly thickens. Remember to let the syrup cool completely. Once the cheesecake is baked and cooled, we'll add the iconic baklava topping. Finely chop a generous amount of mixed nuts, such as walnuts and pistachios. Mix these chopped nuts with about 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon for that classic flavor. Carefully layer the remaining buttered phyllo sheets over the cooled cheesecake, creating a beautiful, flaky top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.